You use liability accounts in QuickBooks Online to record debt, accounts payable, loans, lines of credit, taxes due, and other amounts you owe to others. To create a liability account in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Chart of Accounts page. Then, click the New Account button in the upper right corner of the page to open a New Account pane at the right side of the window. Type the name of the liability account into the Account Name field. You can enter an account number, if enabled, into the Account Number field. To create an account to track company debts or obligations to pay within 1 year, select Other Current Liabilities from the Account Type dropdown, and then select the specific type of short-term liability from the Detail Type dropdown. This dropdown contains commonly used choices like insurance payable, line of credit, and loan payable, to name a few. Alternatively, to create an account to track company debts or obligations with a repayment date greater than 1 year, select Long-Term Liabilities from the Account Type dropdown, and then select the specific type of long-term liability from the Detail Type dropdown. This dropdown contains the notes payable, other long-term liabilities, or shareholder notes payable choices. If needed, to enter the beginning balance for existing outstanding loans, enter the account's balance as of the selected date into the Unpaid Balance field, and then select the date for which to enter the account's balance from the As Of dropdown. Alternatively, if recording a new loan, don't record an opening balance, as you must enter the transactions that show the assets received for the debt or obligation amount incurred for accurate accounting. To enter an account description, simply type it into the Description field. To save the account, click the Save button in the lower right corner of the New Account pane. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.